Students, today we are going to understand summary of chapter 2, Goa, a tourist paradise. Holidays refresh us. They are always packed with fun. Traveling to new places is always exciting and educative. Let us find out how Shad, Anandi and their parents enjoyed a vacation in Goa. They came to know much about the people and their culture during the trip. The highlighted area on the world map is India. Goa is located on India map near Arabian Sea. Goa is India's smallest state in terms of area. You know, children, Rajasthan is the largest state of India in terms of area. You know, as we have Punjabi as our official language of Punjab, in Goa, Konkani is the official language. Marathi, Hindi, and Portuguese are also spoken by the people of Goa. Goa is a tourist place. Shad, Anandi, and their parents. Father's name is Manohar, mother's name is Kalyani, went Goa to enjoy a vacation. Shart built a beautiful sand castle on the beach. Anandi helped him to decorate it with seashells. Actually, this was the family's first holiday on a sea beach. The sun-kissed beaches, rows of coconut trees along them, and the vast Arabian Sea make Goa a perfect holiday spot. There are 5 beaches mentioned in this chapter: Baga Beach, Anjuna Beach, Candilim Beach, Kalangweti Beach, Sinquerim Beach. On the Baga beach, Anandi showed Shart that 2 boats were coming towards the shore. His father told him those were fishermen who went out in their boats to catch fish. They also visited some churches. Children, you know, as we visit temples and gurdwaras in Punjab, people of Goa visit church. The famous churches are the Basilica of Bom Jesus in Old Goa. Number 2, the Church of Saint Francis of Assisi. So many people visit Basilica of Bom Jesus because it holds the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier, regarded as the patron saint of Goa. Mortal remains means the body of a person or what is left behind after death. You know, children, as we enjoy sarson ka saag, makki ki roti in Punjab, they enjoy the traditional food of Goa, fish curry, rice, and arroz dos. Arroz dos is actually a pudding made from rice mixed with water and milk. Important cities of Goa are Panaji and Margao. Panaji is the capital of Goa. They also enjoyed 4 popular water sports like water surfing, water skiing, scuba diving, and parasailing. Football is a popular sport in Goa. The family bought key chains and decoration pieces made of seashells as souvenir before returning to hotel. After that, they happily came back home. So, children, after reading this chapter in your book or after understanding this summary, you are going to write spelling and word meanings in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.